Hello and welcome to the fourth video of C programming tutorial series. In this video we will learn about comments. Comments are those informations which does not affect the working of a program. Comments are mainly used for future reference. Program sometimes gets very complicated. So we use comments to make it easier for other programmers to understand it. There are two types of comments, single line and multi-line. Single line comments always starts with two backslashes followed by a single line of comment. For example, here is a single line comment which is explaining this scanf function. Here is another line of single line comment which is explaining how the above statement is working. Sum stores the value of num1 plus num2. Now let's talk about multi-line comments. Multi-line comments starts with a backslash and a star and ends with a star and backslash. In between, you can write as many lines of text as you want. Program name, version, programmer, date, whatever you want to write. As you can see, single line comments can only hold a single line, where multi-line comments have no limit. You can write any number of lines inside it. Now let's compile the program and run it to see if there is any changes in the output. No. As you already know, comment does not affect the working of the program. See you in the next chapter.